So I just wanted to talk to you guys about promoted listings. It wasn't really something that I had heard of before, or that I've heard a lot of people talking about. So I just want to make this short video. I've been using the promoted listings on eBay, and what you do is you pay to be in the sponsored listing. So when you search for an item, you'll see some of them will come up with sponsored, like right underneath the title. Those are all promoted listings, and I think it's a pretty good deal for what eBay does. They're basically giving you sales, but you only have to pay a small percentage of the sales price. So what I started as, just as a test, I started my promoted listings at 3%. So I let that run for about 5 days at 3%. I got around 200 clicks, and I sold 5 items for like $65. So with 3%, I had to pay 3% of that. So I only have to pay $2 for selling 5 items, and I think that's pretty good. So I kind of upped all my promoted listings. I went off of what is trending right now, and I increased it by 1. So we'll see. I'll update you guys on how my promoted listings are doing. But as of right now, I'm pretty happy with it. I haven't checked on my recent changes where I went off the trends. Hopefully I'll get some more sales out of that. I haven't sold anything today. I just recently changed it last night. It was actually like 8 hours ago that I changed it. So maybe in about a week I'll let you know how those are doing. Idiot driving around. Anyway, so if you like this video, make sure you like it and go check out those listings.